The Pursuit of Passion. In the bustling city of Harmonia, there lived a young woman named Ava. From a young age, Ava had felt an insatiable hunger for something more in life, a burning desire to discover her true passion. Surrounded by a world of obligations and expectations, she yearned to break free and pursue her dreams. Every day, Ava found herself caught in the monotonous routine of her corporate job. The walls of her cubicle closed in on her, suffocating her spirit. She knew deep within her heart that she needed to embark on a journey to find her true calling. One evening, as she strolled through the city streets, a vibrant melody caught her attention. Following the sound, she arrived at a small jazz club called Soulful Notes. The music, filled with raw emotion, captivated her. Ava found herself mesmerized by the musicians on stage, pouring their souls into each note. Intrigued, Ava approached the band during their break and struck up a conversation with their lead guitarist, Marcus. She shared her longing for a life filled with passion and purpose. Marcus listened intently and smiled, recognizing the fire within her. "Passion is not something you stumble upon, it's something you actively pursue," Marcus said. "It's about following your heart, embracing uncertainty, and taking risks. If you want to find your true passion, you must be willing to step outside your comfort zone." Inspired by Marcus's words, Ava made a bold decision. She quit her corporate job, bidding farewell to the safety of her routine. With a newfound determination, she dedicated herself to exploring various avenues of creativity. Ava delved into painting, losing herself in a riot of colors and textures. She enrolled in cooking classes, delighting in the creation of mouth-watering dishes. She joined a local theater group, feeling the exhilaration of performing on stage. Each experience brought her closer to the elusive passion she sought. Along her journey, Ava encountered a group of passionate dancers who performed in the park every weekend. Intrigued, she joined their rehearsal, feeling the music pulsate through her veins as she moved in sync with the rhythm. Dancing awakened a dormant part of her soul, and she realized she had discovered her true passion. Ava poured her heart and soul into her newfound love for dance. She practiced tirelessly, honing her skills and exploring different styles. With each graceful movement, she felt a sense of liberation and a deep connection to her inner self. Word of Ava's talent spread, and she was soon offered the opportunity to join a prestigious dance company. As she twirled across grand stages, her passion became a beacon of inspiration to those who witnessed her performances. Ava had found her calling and radiated a joy that touched the hearts of everyone who saw her dance. But Ava's journey didn't end there. She knew that her pursuit of passion was a lifelong adventure. She continued to explore new art forms, pushing her boundaries and embracing the unknown. She became an advocate for others to follow their dreams, encouraging them to break free from societal expectations and listen to the whispers of their own hearts. Through her courage and unwavering dedication, Ava transformed her life and those around her. She proved that the pursuit of passion is not a luxury, but a necessity for a life truly lived. In the vibrant tapestry of Harmonia's artistic community, Ava's spirit thrived, a testament to the power of following one's true passion and embracing the boundless possibilities that life has to offer. Learn new vocabularies in a short story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.